Achoo! Oh, hello there. I'm Sophie, the sneezing dragon. Welcome to my forest home. Sometimes my words get a bit mixed up, but that's okay. Oh no, little bird, are you okay? Let me help you back to your nest. And see, I have this little problem. When I sneeze, I breathe fire. Oh no, not again. Oops, I made a flame. Yay, my human friends are here. Want to play hide and seek? Just don't hide behind any trees, or I might accidentally turn them into firewood. Look at me, I'm all smoky. I guess I'm just a silly, sneezy dragon after all. But that's okay, because my friends love me just the way I am. Oh no, the forest is drying up. Where did all the water go? Mr. Hoot, can you help me with a problem? The forest is so dry and I want to help with my sneezes.
Well, I'm not sure, Sophie. Your sneezes are quite fiery.
I'll practice my aim. Watch this. A coup.
Great! Woohoo! Perhaps we should think of another way, Sophie.
Oops. Sorry, Mr. Hoot. I'll keep trying. I'm going to save our forest friends. Whoa! Being a hero is harder than I thought, but I won't give up. Oh, hello there. You're the happiest little bunny I've ever seen.
I'm Hoppy. Are you going to sneeze and set me on fire?
Oh, don't worry. I'm here to help. I'm going to make it rain with my dragon power. Okay, clouds. Time for some rain. Achoo. Sorry, Mr. Bird. Here goes nothing. Sneeze. Make some rain, please. Achoo. Well, that didn't work, but I'm not giving up. Watch this. I'll make a new river. Achoo.
But Sophie, it's too hot. The fish can't swim in that.
Oh, you're right. I know. I'll water the plants with my sneeze tears. See, Hoppy? I'm helping. Achoo. Achoo. Oh no, I made a flame instead of rain. What have I done?
It's okay, Sophie. You didn't mean to.
But I'm supposed to be helping, not making things worse. Maybe I should leave the forest.
No, Sophie, please don't go. We'll figure something out together.
You're right, Hoppy. I can't leave my friends. There's got to be a way to use my sneeze to help. Wait a moment. I have a great idea. We can use my fire sneezes to dig a big hole for water. Okay, friends, we're going to make a well to save our forest. Here goes nothing. Achoo! Whoops, let's try that again, shall we? All right, round 2. Achoo. Achoo, almost achoo, there.
Sophie, look, water.
We did it. We made a wishing well. Yay, we're having a splash party. We saved the forest, friends. Look at our forest. It's full of life again. Oh, I'm just a dragon who got lucky with my sneeze. Uh-oh. Everyone get ready for a Sophie special. Achoo. I guess my sneeze is pretty amazing after all.